Today we have a 2014 Toyota Sienna. Customer complaint: a loud noise heard when he turns on the heater fan. Let's confirm the complaint. This noise usually caused by a bad blower motor or something got stuck in the fins and now it's not working. Here it goes again. Let's pull out the old motor and see what's going on. Unplug the harness, then I used a 8mm to remove these 3 screws. Old motor is out. Look how much play we got on this. Here's the part number for the new one. And the new one doesn't have any play at all. Let's get the new one installed. Let's confirm the fix. And thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more.